guys, welcome to my video. Today we're going to make a beautiful handmade gift. A soft and cozy surprise that's perfect for someone who just had a baby. Or if you're expecting yourself. Let's starting. You just need to pick your favorite color of Alize Puffy Yarn, or even mix a few colors together if you like. Keep a pair of scissors next to you. That's all you need. Well, maybe a lighter too, just in case you want to join a new color in the middle of your work. Now it's time to choose the size. I'm making a baby blanket, so 1 meter by 1 meter is perfect for me. But you can make yours as big as you like. Just count the loops for about 1 meter. Then start knitting the same way as with regular Alize Puffy. The only difference is you need to twist each loops once before knitting it. That's so easy. Just look at my hand. I'm knitting rows number 1. And since it's handmade by you, it's truly a special and full love. I'm sure, however you give this blanket to will love it. It's super soft and beautiful and made so quickly. Now keep knitting until it reaches the size you want. If you want, mix the color of Alize Puffy Yarn. You just should. Firing this. And keep knitting. That's so easy. Okay, we should cut this. When you get to the last row, pay close attention to my hand. Just knit this part the same way. Then trim off the extra beads with scissors. And here it is, our Alize Puffy baby blanket. I've packed mine in this cute gift. Ready to give as a present. can find boxes like these at the market. They look so pretty and elegant. I hope you like this project. Tell me what you think in the comment, and please subscribe my channel to support me. Thank you for your watch. Goodbye.